Hello traders and investors, welcome back to the Trend Trader channel. So today we're just going to be going through a different kind of a blockchain and the token that is associated with that, because I'm not expert in blockchain tokens or cryptocurrencies. We're just going to go through the website of that particular blockchain technology and read what it offers so that you have an idea what you're talking about. Then later in the video, we're going to be looking at the chart, which is something that I normally work on. So on the chart, we'll be looking at trading opportunities, because the end goal is to make money from all these things that are available to us in the market. So what we're going to be talking about today is Polygon or Matic, so which is an Ethereum network cryptocurrency or blockchain. But like I said, we'll go to the website so that I don't give you incorrect information regarding this blockchain technology. But before we go there, I would like to ask you that you consider subscribing to the channel. And if you find value in this video, make sure that you smash that like button. And remember that if you don't have a cryptocurrency trading account, you can open one with a V.A.R. You'll find the link to V.A.R. in the description below. Make sure that you open that. You can trade using South African rand. There's no need for you to convert your rands to other currencies before you can trade. I will just, like I said, the link to V.A.R. will be there in the description below. All right, so what is this Polygon? Like I said, it's Polygon, but it is also known as Matic. So according to their website, it says that Polygon is an Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain. So this one, it acts as a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. It does this by aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum, supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. So basically, there are some issues that it's trying to solve on the Ethereum or on the native Ethereum network. As they say, it is built by developers for developers, and then it combines the best Ethereum and sovereign blockchain into a fully fledged multi-chain system. Okay, so let's look at the challenges that the current or the native Ethereum network is currently experiencing. So one of these challenges is that it has some limitations. It has a low throughput. It has a poor user experience. One of the most cited poor user experience is high gas fees. Those that are involved in NFTs, they know that sometimes it can be a challenge to mint some of the coins or even to just make a transactions, because the gas fees could be high. And then also they speak about the lack of sovereignty, meaning that shared throughput or clogging risk, and then a tech stack not customizable. So these are some of the challenges that you can experience in the native Ethereum network. Now, bringing Matic into the table, some of the solutions that they aim to solve is that, or the solutions that they say that they are going to provide, is that Polygon is going to be a one-click deployment of preset blockchain networks. And then this will help by growing a set of modules for developing custom networks. And what is important, in my opinion, is that interoperability protocol for exchanging messages within the Ethereum network or with other blockchain network. And also there's this function of modular and optional security as a service. And lastly, it's going to act as an adapter modules for enabling interoperability of existing blockchain network. Don't worry if you don't understand everything that I've just read. Me and you, we are on the same page. It's a lot of jargon there, but in a nutshell, it's just that there are some limitations with the native Ethereum network, and then Polygon is trying to solve some of those challenges. Now the question is, are people ready to adopt this kind of technology, and so that they can overcome the challenges that come with the native Ethereum network. But like I said, I'm no expert into these things, so I don't want to spend more time talking about this thing. It's better that we talk about the important stuff. But one of the important stuff is that make sure that you click the subscribe button there and you hit that bell notification. If you have already subscribed, there's no need for you to click the subscribe button again. As you can see, we have a lot of videos there that we have recently uploaded. We're talking about real estate investment trust, and then we spoke about ETFs that you can use to build passive income and possibly generate generational wealth. So now let's go to the chart so that you can see if you can find some trading opportunities in there. So I haven't been trading cryptocurrencies well longer than I've been trading stocks. I've just started trading cryptocurrencies sometime this year in 2021. So yeah, so this is one of the coins I have in my V.I.R.E wallet. As you can see, Polygon or Matic, like I said, some people they call it Matic. It reached this high here previously. This was somewhere around $2.70 before retracing back all the way to about 50 cents. Remember, it's in US dollars, so we're talking about cents in US dollars, where it found support. Since then, it's been trying to continue to trade high. As you can see, we see a series of higher highs. Okay, these are the series of higher highs, and then we see a series of higher lows, and it keeps on finding support on the 200-day exponential moving average, or just above the 50-day exponential moving average. So I took a position somewhere around $2.13. Well, I've had a position for a long time. That's where I just added recently. And I had set my stop just around $1.68. And then it tried to push all the way up there so that it can reach this previous high of about $2.70. So after this, after I saw that it was coming to this resistance level, I tweeted something and also made a trade idea here on TradingView to say that I'm just expecting, or I'm just waiting for Polygon to break above this resistance level. For me, confirmation of a breakout would have been Polygon trading above $2.80, of which is currently trading at $2.88. So for me, there's a confirmation that this token or cryptocurrency, it has broken above the resistance level. And if you look at the volume here, it did it on above average volume. So this is a confirmation to me that Polygon is ready to continue to explode and move up. But remember, we always use risk management. One of the risks that you can see and that we have seen in the past with other coins is that whenever we're expecting a security to break above a certain resistance level, what you normally see, it does break out. Sometimes it can become the breakout can fail, and then start to see that security continue to come back and trade lower. We saw that with Bitcoin and Ethereum earlier a couple of weeks ago, where we made a video saying that Bitcoin can go to about $90,000 per coin, but so far it's currently trading at around 51,000 US dollars. So again, it's the same thing that you're expecting with Matic. It can just continue to trade higher there, especially if there's adoption of this technology and if there's limited coins available. But then again, we always come up with the multiple scenarios just in case one scenario does not work. So now we see that it broke above this resistance level. It might come back to retest this level. So if it does show signs of weakness, we can have a limit order around that $2.80, so that once it reaches that trade, it triggers our trade in there. Hopefully then it will then continue to trade higher. But if it fails, then we need to have a stop loss just below $2.50. So that's the trading opportunity here that we have in mind with Matic. The sky is the limit with anything, with any tradable security at $2.90. We think that this is an affordable coin. Anyone can afford to buy this coin. I think in rands it's trading at about 45 rands or so. So if you have about 50 rand to spare, you can still get yourself Matic like I said, you just need to have a VALR account. I will leave the link there in the description so that you can open your account, verify it, and then you can start depositing cash and trade there. Remember, this is not a paid promo for that exchange, but I will give you a referral link, so I'll be getting a rebate if you do sign up on that. So just to make sure that we're on the same page. So once again, the reason why we're interested in this coin is because it broke above this resistance level there. So my expectation is that it's going to continue to trade high, but if it doesn't, then I have my new stop loss at about $2.50. So that's it that I wanted to share with you today. This just chart of Polygon, but first, before we did that, we tried to give you an idea of what Polygon is. So if you still confused, you can just Google a Polygon or Matic. It will take you to this website. Then from there you can spend some time reading. You might even get a white paper on this, because a lot of these crypto stuff, they do have white papers. So if you are a tech savvy person, you can go through those white paper so that you can just dig in deep and have an idea. But remember, for us, we are just traders. Our job is to look at the chart, find a trading opportunity, identify an entry point, set up a stop level, and then ride that security as it goes to the moon, which is something that we expect from this token. What we expect that it's going to continue to trade high. So if you found value in this video, once again, and you haven't subscribed, we like to ask you that you subscribe. That will help us to grow this channel. And if you enjoyed the content of this video, make sure that you smash that like button. We will see you in the next video.